No, I'm too old to learn that. Oh, hey, wonder what the heck I'm doing? Instagram Reels. You ever heard of Instagram Reels? They're the new cool thing. Everybody's doing it. All jokes aside, if you're wondering what Instagram Reels are, you see them on your feed before, watch this video. I'm going to share with you what they are. Thank you so much for being here. For more tips on how to grow your real estate business through the power of technology, then please click on that subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified of when I post a new video every single Wednesday. Thanks to the use of technology and social media, I consistently rank in the top 1% of my franchise. I'm always learning, always implementing new strategies on social media, and today's a new one with Instagram Reels, so let me show you how it works. First off, I'm going to show you how they work, but for those of you wondering what the heck is even an Instagram Reel, I've never even heard of this before, or maybe I've seen it but I just don't know what it is. So if many of you have ever heard of TikTok, or maybe you have kids that are on TikTok, you've got a lot better idea all of a sudden. TikTok has amassed a huge amount of followers. It has been so popular. It's had some recent dark moments, I guess, in the US. There's a lot of places trying to ban it and a lot of people not liking TikTok. And because of that, I think Instagram, this is my personal opinion, I think Instagram saw an opportunity thinking, okay, if people are gonna have to be pushed away off TikTok, then maybe we should try to take those users and have them on our platform. And they're learning from TikTok. It worked great. And lots of people are on it. I actually have, normally I do this in my head, but I've got some numbers here, so I gotta read it off for you. In less than 4 years of startup, TikTok, as of August 2020, has surpassed 1 billion users worldwide. In Q1 of 2019, TikTok was the most downloaded app in the Apple Store. And TikTok users, this one's an important one, spend an average of 52 minutes a day on the platform. So what does that tell you? They have a huge following and they have all the attention right now, and Instagram wants to tap into that. And because of that, I think you may see a growing of Instagram Reels if people are getting onto them versus TikTok. I could be wrong. It may just be a fad. It may come and go, but why not try? Get on it, start making videos, and if you can start growing that audience through Instagram Reels, you're gonna be way further ahead come a year down the road if they really do take off. So here we go. Here's how they work. All right, so here we go. We're actually going to do this on camera. I'm gonna create a reel, and you can see my screen share here as well, and I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. So first thing you gotta do, of course, open Instagram. Once you get into Instagram, you're gonna see the home screen here. Biggest thing is swiping from the left to the right. That brings up your story. This is how you do stories, but if you notice at the bottom, there's a different option here, and that's for Reels. Aha. So click on Reels, and this is where you can create a short clip. And you could do it in different segments if you want. You can do it all in one. You can add text after, so it's just a lot more fun with it. If you guys have used TikTok before, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about, but let's try to make one here right now. So I'm just gonna hold my thumb on this thing, and then on this record button, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna stop, and we're gonna do this in different segments. So let's do one basically how I'm talking to every other realtor out there when I'm talking about using technology, some of the responses that I get. So let's try this out. Hey there, man, you know what you should do is you should really create a social media profile. So then there, I stopped, and I'm gonna, it's my little segment there. Now you see my progress bar, it's off, it's in a little bit. Now I'm gonna go this way and do the person's response. No, social media is stupid. I don't wanna do social media. What good is it? Again, keep going. You can generate leads, free leads. Okay. I'm way too old. Hey you! Do you currently use TikTok or Instagram Reels? If so, comment below and let me know. There you go, that's all I could get in there. So there's my reel. Now it gives me the option in here that I can trim it if I want to. Everything should be good, so let's go to next. Oh, sorry, let's go back. I want to add in some text. So I can add in text saying, when I try to teach other realtors about social media. I can kind of put some background to it there. I can change the size of it by pinching. Now I recommend, as you see when I'm scrolling through here, it's giving me the different bars. You want to make sure you're within those, because in Reels it'll have text down below, it'll have it up above, and if you put it there, it's not going to be seen. So that's why they really kind of dummy proof it for you, so you make sure your text doesn't get lost. Now I can even click on this. So if I click on it, I can say where I want this text to show for how long. So I can actually trim it down here, and I can just have it appear there. So it'll appear like that for that length of time, and then eventually it disappears. And then I could have another text if I wanted to put up something more. I could put in stickers, whatever I wanted to do. There's a lot of options in here. This one I'm just going to leave simple just to give you an idea, but if I did click on the sticker thing, I mean, I could put in different stickers. There's just like the stories. But yeah, from there I click on the next button. Now write a caption. The pain I feel every day. There we go. So I got my description in there. Now from there you can actually add in some hashtags. Normally I'd have these thought out already. You guys are catching me on the fly here, but here it's got some suggested for me. Realtor life, that's a good one. Another Realtor life. Let's see, Realtor Nation. Normally I'd have more thought into these hashtags, and I do recommend you guys do the same. You want to go through different hashtags, see which ones are going to be the best, and make sure you post them. You don't want ones that are too competitive. I do, so in one of these videos here I explain about hashtags and how they work. But for the purpose of this video, let's just do a couple quick ones. Social media marketing. What else could I do? Social media. Is there a social media real estate? There we go. Okay, again, I might put more, but for now, let's just leave it at that. Now, you can also have the option here where you can share it in your feed, so it lives in your feed. As you guys see, lots of my feeds are kind of curated to certain photos and everything. So there may be a time I may do this, and I may change up the cover photo and start implementing Reels into my feed. But for now, I'm going to turn that off because I don't want it to show up in there. I don't want to mess with the look I have on my feed. So there you go. You can just hit share Reels in Explore. It's got a lot of transitions. Okay, so posted, there it's done. Now you can see just right there, it's in the Reels. And so now if somebody's searching Reels, my video might pop up. And because there's not enough people doing Reels yet as there would be stories, a lot better chance of being found. So anytime there's something new in social media, guys, highly recommend you get on it. You be the first one there, because you're gonna have a lot better chance of growing, being found, and when you are got that big audience, you're already way ahead of everybody else. So there you have it. That's the quick rundown of Instagram Reels. So I'd love to see your guys. One last thing I just wanted to show you guys, again, if I'm at the home page here, and now that our reel is made, if you click on this little guy here, or girl down in the bottom right, it'll have your profile pop up. From there on your profile, you'll see these 4 different options in here. And if you click this one that's got the play button, it looks like a little film reel. There's your reel. So if you want to look back, see how many views you've had. So here's recent ones I've done. I'm just starting, so there's not a ton, but hey, that's still views that I wouldn't have had before. Mine's currently showing at 0. And yeah, now I can keep track. I can look tomorrow and see how many views it's had, kind of monitor them and try to make them better. So there you have it. Instagram Reels are a pretty cool little fun tool. Just have fun with it, guys. But if you're wanting to figure out a way that you can generate some leads in your business immediately versus doing the long game with Reels, then you're going to want to click on the link in my description below. In there, I have my free Facebook lead ad checklist, and it'll walk you through step by step on how to create an effective Facebook ad. And when you're done here, don't forget to watch my prior videos that I've done about Instagram. And please, if this was beneficial, do me a solid, hit that subscribe button, like, and share with your fellow realtor friends.